Hi everyone, I'm Pooja. Today I'm going to show you guys my simple makeup actually. Usually I wear this on daily basis because I go to office, so I need some little bit makeup, so that's why. Today I'm going to shopping for the Pongal, so that's why I'm going to do that. And I already have moisturizer on my face and some lip balm on my lips, and I'm using this Fit Me uh, dewy and smooth primer. It's a normal to dry skin primer. By the way, I have a dry skin on this winter, so that's why I'm using this. Actually, I don't use that much primer because I'm still new to this, you know, the makeup and also that's why. By the way, I cleansed my hands already, so you don't have to worry about that. Yeah, I feel like I have some oiliness in this area. Only it is winter, so that's why. Basically, I'm oily skin, but in winters I feel my skin is dry, so that's why. If you guys see, I have some pigmentation around my mouth. Yeah, after that, I'm going to use this uh, concealer. It's it's from Pack. The shade is big brownish kind of thing. And that here, and that here. And some lighter concealer. It's from Pack Honey Drop. This is my first time doing this makeup on filming and this setup actually. I'm usually do this in front of my mirror. With my brush. Yeah. Let's blend it. You know, songs on my name. I think it's good. Fit Me Passionate blush actually. Maybe. And some Fit Me Hypercurl. liner. The lip liner is actually from Mars Desire. I rarely use it because I don't like this. Anyway, I use this to me. And this is Worth It Medium L'Oreal. Some powder. This is from Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Compact. The shade is 330. You can see I have some facial hair. I didn't even remove it, so I don't mind. And some setting spray. Which is I have to trust the process because I like this look. Let me set this actually. Yeah guys, if you guys like my look and you can guys comment and like and please subscribe to my channel. I post more videos about my skincare, my lifestyle, what I eat for breakfast and all. Yeah, this is my simple, makeup routine where I go to shopping, office and all. And I do more videos if you guys wanna see. Okay, yeah, that's it. Bye bye.